guys, for today's video, we are going to talk about example number 2 of the angles formed by the two secant lines. And yung na-formed na angle is inside the circle. So we still have the formula, angle is equal to 1/2 times the measure of arc 1 plus arc 2. Okay? Or the measure of arc 1 plus the measure of arc 2 divided by 2. So we have this circle. So ano yung mga secant lines natin? Line AC kasi na-meet niya yung circle at point A and point C. And line BB. Second line siya kasi na-meet niya yung circle at point B and D. Tandaan, yung second line, nami-meet niya yung circle at 2 points. Okay? Now, so we have here arc AB which is 150 degrees and angle CED which is 85 degrees. Now we have to find for x which is our arc CB. Let's have the working equation. So we have the angle. Ano yung angle? Given angle natin is the measure of angle CED is equal to 1/2, we just copy, times the measure of arc 1 plus arc 2, di ba? So, pwedeng kahit sino yung unahin. Okay? But in this case, dahil nawawala si arc CD, unahin na muna natin siya. So, the measure of arc CD, okay, plus the measure of arc AB. Okay? What is the measure of arc CED? CED is 85. Equals to, just copy 1/2. What is the measure of arc CD? Wala siya, so we have x. Plus the measure of arc AB, which is 150. Okay? We know that 1 times this one is still this one. So, i-simplify lang natin, magiging 85 is equal to x plus 150. This is 150, ha? Over 2. Okay? To solve for x, para mas mabilis, diba, ang whole number natin, that is over 1. And then we cross multiply. Okay, what is 2 times 85? 85 times 2 is 10, carry 1, 6, 70. So we have 170. 85 times 2 is 170. And 1 times this one is still this one. Kasi yung multiply mo lang naman siya sa 1. So itself pa rin yung sagot. So we have x plus 150. Now, we have to solve for x. Kailangan ma-isolate natin si x. Kaya si 150, ililipat natin sa kabila. From positive, magiging correct negative. So, 170 minus 150 is equal to x. Okay, what is now 170 minus 150? That is correct, 20 degrees. So, the x here is 20 degrees. So, the value is 20 degrees. So, this one is 20 degrees. Let's try nga. 150 plus 20, that is 170. 170 divided by 2 is 85. So, tama tayo. Nagets ba? O, ilagay dyan kung nagets or nagets nyo. Okay, now, you answer number 4. So, we have here, the measure of arc AB is missing. So, x siya. The measure of angle DEC is 64 degrees. And the measure of arc CD is 80 degrees. And we have 2 seconds intersect inside the circle. Okay? So, ano kaya yung x natin? Don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring. Kaya i-share ng video na to. Okay? Bye!